Why do you need to install Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are common modifications for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can change the wheel's offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitted and safer. And the BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can also be wheel-adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the BONOSS Forge active cooling Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and increasing safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota 4Runner, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.